things that are weird on land after living on a cruise ship. It's honestly wild being on land after living on a cruise ship for so long. Concept of having a day off is crazy to me. On the ship, you don't get any time off. You're always working. Even when you're not actually on duty, you're essentially working 24/7. So just being able to relax and not worry about anything is a game changer. Another thing that's strange is doing stuff for myself, like cleaning. I haven't had to clean my own cabin in over 200 days because my room attendant was amazing. Now I actually have to handle that myself, which feels weird. Oh, and don't even get me started on the days of the week. On the ship, we never knew what day it was. We just went by day 1, day 2, day 3, etc. Monday and Friday didn't mean anything to us at all. It's funny how much we actually rely on weekdays when we're on land.